One of the worst parts of buying a used JDM car, or it could just be a regular car that you buy here used, is maintenance. Man, because you never know how this car was kept up, right? So I already did my oil change here with Torco SR5R, and then I did the Torco SGO transmission oil, so that's solved, and then new filter obviously, and then I got a new battery right here from Megalife. That's actually the same one for my Integra, and as you can see right here, the engine bay is fairly clean for being a 30-year-old JDM car. I am gonna still ice blast this and clean it up really well, and then replace all the hoses. As you can see, these hoses are pretty crusty, but the worst things about buying a used car is the basic maintenance, and a lot of people will skimp out on the basic maintenance because it's not fun and it kind of gets expensive, especially if you have an old ass 30-year-old JDM car that you can't find parts here for. So a lot of these parts actually came from Japan, and the guy that I got it from is called Anything Wheeled on Instagram. He does a lot of K cars, pretty informative channel, and if you guys are into K cars, I highly suggest you follow him. So these right here I actually got on Amazon. This is just your typical ATV M10 125 pitch lug nuts. My OEM ones are kind of crusty. Let me show you right here. And I am into nice fasteners, so this is just typical corrosion that you see on Japanese cars, these like white little bunky things. And then see my calipers, I'm gonna clean that up too. So I do need to ice blast this car. And then next thing is ignition stuff. So obviously spark plug wires, these guys right here, NGK factory stuff from Suzuki in Japan. So look how tiny these guys are. They're absolutely adorable. Look at that. And then obviously to pair with that, I have my cap and rotor. Look how tiny this cap is. This goes on your distributor. If you have a newer car, you probably don't have a cap and rotor. This is the rotor that goes inside, and then these I actually just got locally from O'Reilly's. This is the 97637 Iridium plugs. Now you want to use Iridium for this because it's a total pain in the ass to get in there. Now if you have like an easy to access engine like my Integra with the B series, I go with copper because copper has better conductivity than Iridium. Iridium just lasts longer. And then obviously swap out your belts. I'm missing another belt because it's still coming from Japan, but always swap out your belts because you never know if you have an alternator failure because you cut your belt or whatever, because these cars are freaking old. And then HKS filter right here. This is straight from JDM land. This is a foam version. I'm going to show you how dirty the OEM one is, but this is like the basic maintenance that I always do to every single car before I start modding the car, because it's so easy to just jump in here and start modding things, right? And you know, I am also guilty of skimping out on maintenance stuff when I was younger because I just wanted to spend my money on pretty mods. But if you have a pretty car and it breaks down, kind of defeats the purpose, right? So let's get started on the air filter first.